Miss Jackson.
Hello everybody, welcome to Math is Life channel. Today we are going to talk about second section of chapter 1, which is 1.2 place values through millions. Everybody, let's start with an example. We have a number. Could you please read this number? Everybody, as you can see, we have groups in numbers. First three digits from left to right we call ones. Second three digits we call in thousand group, and last and third three digits we call in millions group. Everybody, it is easy to read the number. We start from the left side until comma, then we say name of the group, which is million, then continue, we read three digit number until comma, then we say name of the group, which is thousand, then we continue, we read last three digits, then we don't need to say name of the group. Everybody, so let's start here from left to right. Just we read three digit number 256. When we come comma, we say name of the group, which is million, as you can see. Then let's continue 128. So we have to say name of the group, which is thousand. 128,000. So just three digits left to read. So it is 12. 256,128,012. Let's see another example. Write the place value of underlined digit. First, where is underlined digit? Which is 2 here. Everybody, 2 is in the which digit? Ones, tens, hundreds, and 2 is in the thousand digits. Value of 2000 is 1000. Then we are gonna multiply 1000 by 2. Let's see. Place is 1000. The value is 2 times 1000 is 2000. Let's see another example. Write the number 1309641 in different forms. Everybody, we have 4 kinds of form to write the number. The first is word form. Word form means how can you write your number? You write by the words. Everybody, we have learned from previous page to write the number. Let's start from the left to the comma. So what number is that? 1. When you come comma, you say just name of the group, which is million. 1 million. Then we continue to read the number until comma, then we say name of the group, which is thousand. 1,309,000. Then just three digits left to read the number, 641. Let's see. 1,309,641. So what's short word name? Short word name means you write the number with name of the group, which are millions and thousands. Let's see. 1,309,641. Don't forget, just we are going to write by the words name of the groups, which are million and thousand. Standard form. What's standard form? Standard form means as same as your number. You write your number 1,309,641. That's it. So we have just one thing is left, which is expanded form. Expanded form, you are going to write place values of each digit. 1, 4, 6. 1 is a digit that shows you 1, because we gonna multiply 1 by 1. 1 is in the ones digit. 4 is a digit in the second place. We are gonna multiply 4 by 10, because 4 is in the tens digit. And 6 is a digit in the third place from the right side. 6 is in the hundredths digit. 6 by 100 is equal to 600, etc. Let's see. 1, 40, 600, 9,000, 0, no need, and 300,000 and 1 million. Everybody, that's it. See you next lesson. Thanks for watching.